Hi guys, welcome to my tech channel. So this is the second video I have doing the Jmeter series. So today I want to explain some of the basic features of the Jmeter, how we will record the test, and what is the sampler, what is the request, what is the view registry. So whenever you open that, basically by default it will display the test plan. In order to work with, first you need to have the thread group. Thread group is nothing but it contains the threads. Here threads refers that number of the users, virtual users. So under the thread group you can add any sampler. So suppose this is the thread group, I will add any sampler, that is basically any request. This as a request, here you can mention that something. So port number 8080. So I think you know what is the port number and path, something like after google.com or something like URL or something. So guys, so whenever you record it, but I don't want to explain that whole recording process, the main points that I will said that sometimes when you start record the script in with the Jmeter, or the request sometimes recorded with under HTTP test script recorder or either in recording controller, both, either this or that. So these are the requests. Suppose if I want to see the output, like output window in router, where we can see that a question rises. So you can use the listeners. So whenever you click that thread group, listeners is there. These are the different listeners that are available. So you can refer here. So these are the listener that groups, you can do that, and aggregate report, listener aggregate report. So let's see, first see the output. So I will go to the view registry and I will clear. If you want to start the test, you can go over here. I will explain the options one by one. So now the test is running. So here you can see the time, and this is the log, whatever the log you want to see, this is the log. So when you click, it will display here. When you unclick, it will be displayed here. So now I will stop the test. So here my request is going to fail, because this is the reason that it is going to fail, because I have not given the proper, that's why it is going to fail. So whenever you see the request, there are the different tabs: sample result request, whatever the request that we are sending, what is the response data, response body. Basically we can see the values in the response body and response headers. As headers, you know what is the headers, like accept, encoding, and what the browser information that we will send, that are the headers. So that is a separate part, I will explain later. So this is the test. You can see the output, the regular expression test. I think everybody know the concept of correlation. If you want to do the correlation, if you want to see that output value of our dynamic value, we can see here. Not only that, we can also see the occurrences, how many occurrences it will be there. We can also see over here. So just paste it, the dynamic value, and test. It will give that number of occurrences. I will do anyway video, and that boundary value etc also same. And another important is debug sampler. So debug sampler, what is the debug sampler? Then everybody asks. Debug sampler is nothing but we want to debug the test, we will use. For example, 90% of the times we will see the correlation values, and what are the parameters that we are passing. For example, parameterization, what the username and passing, whether our value is correct or not, we can take the confirmation from the debug sampler. So this is the most of the times we are using. So guys, apart from that, when you go to the prisoners, there is a view result in table, that will a table format. And apart from that, one of the important is aggregate report. Here you can see maximum, minimum, and throughput. So coming to throughput, what is the meaning of throughput? So it is different from normal. Throughput is how many requests that sent to the server per minute. Generally, we can define that how much data we are getting from the server per particular time, minute or something, that throughput. So guys, I will end up the video today, because this is the basics. Just you can practice this video, and if we have any doubts in Jmeter, just comment in comment section. Soon I will start the Jmeter training, corporate training like that. So I will start the training, one-to-one persons or batch online, not one-to-one. If anybody is interested in training, just comment in comment section. Don't ask two more questions on comment section, because I don't have time to reply that. If anybody, your friends looking for training, implementation training, just comment in comment section. So guys, please subscribe my channel, share and comment. Have a nice day, happy weekend. Thank you.